good? In this video, I will be showing you how to make a hoodie on Printify. The first thing you want to do is go onto Printify.com. From there, you can sign up for completely free by tapping on Start for Free. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to sign up using your email address. So you could enter your email address right here and then create a password. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the Printify dashboard. Once on the Printify dashboard, as you can see right here, you'll first need to decide the platform that you would like to sell your items on. So for example, you can go over to the top left-hand corner, right where you see Test Store on my screen. You're going to tap right there, and from there, you're going to tap on Add a New Store. After selecting Add a New Store, you can see the different sales channels that you can choose from. So whether you'd like to sell your hoodies on eBay, Squarespace, Wix, Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, WooCommerce, any one of these platforms you can use. Or if you would like to create a standalone store that is completely for free, you could tap on Printify Pop-Up. By selecting Printify Pop-Up, you'll be able to select a store name, and you can also select your country. After doing that, you'll be able to create a store for completely free, just like what I've done with this store right here. For example, if we were to view my store, you can see it right here. So we are provided with a free URL by Printify and also a free storefront. So if I were to select this, you can see how the product page looks right there. And persons are able to go onto this website and then complete their purchase. So if you'd like to do this, all you'll need to do is simply select Printify Pop-Up Store. After you have tapped on Add New Store, you would select Printify Pop-Up Store right there. Now to continue creating our hoodie, all we would need to do now, from here you could select Catalog. Then after doing that, you're going to select Hoodies. After selecting hoodies, you have a few options. Right where you see Target Market from the left-hand menu option, depending on where your customers are located, you can select one of these target markets, whether it is USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, China, or the United Kingdom. So I'm going to be leaving it at the United States, and I'm going to select the bestseller. After you have selected the bestseller, as you can see right here, you can tap on Start Designing. After selecting Start Designing, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you have a few options. So you can go over to the left-hand menu option, and you could upload your design from your device. So for example, if you were to go onto platforms like Canva or other editing platforms, you could create a design that you can add right here. Or you could tap on AI image, and from there you could type in a prompt that you would like to use. So for example, I could type in, let's say for example, man running, then tap on generate images. After you have typed in your prompt, you could give it a few seconds, and then from there you will see a prompt right there. You'll see pictures that you can use, and you could use one of these pics by simply tapping on the picture, and then you could enlarge it, as you can see right there. So there are different options that you can choose from. You could also go over to the left-hand menu option, and you could tap on graphics, and from there you could choose one of their pre-made graphics, as you can see right here. So you have quite a few options that you can pick from. Once you have chosen one of these options, all you'll need to do once it has been added to your design, you can simply increase the size, as you can see right there. Then you're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right-hand corner. After doing that, you'll be redirected to the mockup page. Once on the mockup page, from here, you can scroll down and you can see the product description. You could edit that if you want. You can also choose whether you'd like to add a size table. So you could toggle this to add the size table to the description. And by scrolling down, you can also select the variants that you would like to add. So for example, I could tap on Select All. So you're going to be able to offer all sizes, as you can see right there. So you can see the different sizes and you can also see the color. And you can edit the price if you want by tapping on edit price right here. You could type in the price that you'd like to sell it for, or you could edit the profit. So you could tap on profit margin. And let's say, for example, instead of a 40% profit margin, you would like to make 50%. You could type in 50% and then tap on apply. After doing that, you can scroll down and you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. Now that I've tapped on publish, all I'll need to do is give it a few seconds while the product is being uploaded to my store. Once it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on view and you'll be able to view it on your store. But while that is being uploaded, another thing that I would recommend you do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you could tap on wallet and then select payments. From here you'll be able to connect either your PayPal account, your Payoneer account, or you can add a debit or credit card on which you'll be able to receive payments on. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on insights, and from here you'll be able to view your analytics, your sales, and so on. And you can also tap on store settings. From here you could customize your store. If you had chosen the pop-up store, you'll be able to customize your store in this section. You can also tap on branding, and from here you'll be able to edit the thank you card, and you can also edit the gift message, as you can see right here. And talking about branding, if you were to tap on branding from the left hand menu option, you can see that you can also add your tag inside, as you can see right there. So you can browse the eligible products to see which products are available. Now let's view our products. So I'm going to tap on my products from the left hand menu option, and you can see that the product has now been published. So all I would need to do is tap on visit store in the top right hand corner. Then I could tap on the hoodie pick right there, and you can see the mock-up images. So you can see them right there, and you can see it also lists the different sizes. And by scrolling down, you can see that it had added the size chart, and scrolling down you can tap on read more and you can see the product description right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Easy to edit your store. After editing your store, what I want you to do next is tap on settings in the bottom left hand corner. Once you have tapped on settings, from here you can tap on payments. After tapping on payments, you can add PayPal and other payment options, and these are the payment options that you will be providing persons with that visit your store and would like to complete a purchase. So you're going to tap on add payment method, for example on PayPal, and then from there you can add PayPal, as you can see right there. It is quite easy to activate and to add different payment options. In the future, if you would like to, for example, customize the checkout page, you could tap on checkout right there, and from there you can see the different options that you have on how to customize your checkout page. You can also add different apps or delete different apps in the future by tapping on app and sales channel. You'll be able to monitor all of the apps that are currently on your website. And if you'd like to add a custom domain name, meaning a custom URL, all you need to do is tap on domains from the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on buy new domain. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.